This is not my channel, but the owner graciously give me some time to put my 2 cents on the things we are going on social media. And trust me, may I come back. May I come back. May hope so una good. Well, I hope a whole heap of things are going on social media, me hear. T-girl data chat about mental health. Say the mother have mental health. Lorraine and her crew, they're London a chat about 99. Curly still a sell ticket for our gala. What a bam bam. For a long time now, me I wonder how come 3 particular people come on social media and full up them heart with hate for 99. This woman not do them nothing. But every day without fail, they make this woman, them topic, a conversation. Well, as far as T-girl concerned, it look like them obsessed and full of jealousy. Them jealous. Me hear say, the data allegedly confirmed say the mother have mental health problem. Well, that explain why them stay so bad every day. Well, that explain why she go on so bad every time. When people have mental health problem, them can be dangerous to themselves and others. No need for say no more. Me understand why T-girl a move so now. But me not feel sorry for her because she know what she a do. Them say when you jealous of somebody, because you want be them, be like them, and you can't be, so you end up hate them. All I can say right now is God protect 99. Then you have the L lady travel all the way to London with her crazy friend when I have no room for talk about people. And all them can chat about a 99 in a some derogatory language. Them remind me of 2 demon-possessed entities. Them so shallow and desperate for money. All them can do is cost 99 for little change pan YouTube or Facebook. Them heart wicked and somebody need fit for report them. Me never see such a wicked set of demon pan social media. But them stay there cause karma is a bitch. Curly, she still a sell tickets 2 days before the big finale. She said people come for watch. She said for people to come out and not watch no face. Despite the fact that the venue big and cater for hundreds, but she don't have the numbers. And even 5 people, and even if a 5 people, them have to come out, them have to come out in a grand style for the big day. Them for ignore the fact that the hall empty. Hey, she too much. You see them people have this bad mind mentality. Them can't stand to see other people rise up and succeed. Them green with envy and jealousy. When them see someone else a shine, them feel like if them spread lies about the person, it a go bring them down. But that not go work out well in the long run. They might chat up enough things about the successful one, but them no realize say it now make them life better. In fact, it just sure say them full of negativity and lack confidence. If them use them energy where them a spend pan bad mind to improve themselves, who know how far it could have reached. People for understand say It no run so. We not fi compete with one another, fi tear people down. Instead we fi lift up each other and celebrate success. We all have different path fi trod. The journey ain't not the same for everybody. So if you see someone make progress, make that inspire you to achieve your own goals and your own dreams. In the end, bad mind and jealousy only hold people back. In the end, bad mind and jealousy just hold people back who are pre-bad mind. Them just a waste time and energy upon negativity instead of build up themselves. If them can't happy for other people, it a go come back and hurt them someday. Me just a encourage everybody to show love and support each other. No make bad mind and lies be the way you move forward in a life. If we come together and make the world a better place, the world upon we back, and we a turn against each other. So where the escape there? Well, me gone again. Me will come back, come give some more update about the things that we are going on social media. Have yourself a great day. See you soon.